Makiaraniria na andiki a mohoro atongoria mwena wa Mũng'ethanĩro ni mokereire ikinya ria thirikari ria kwendia kambuni cia thirikari kuria muingi wa Kenya utakoretwo ugikuruhanio.
We must never forget that the republic belongs to the people and it is our sacred duty to defend it. And yet 62 years later, that sacred inheritance is under threat. National assets like Safaricom, Kenya Pipeline, KCB, JKIA.
Atongoria ya maugite ni giconoko kuri bururi wa Kenya uriria urakungwira miaka 62 ya wiyathi muthenya wa rucio. Thirikari ikoretwo ikineana kambuni cia bata ta Safaricom, Kenya Pipeline, JKIA gatagati kaingi moko-ini ma andu kiumbe.
The courts have intervened on Safaricom, on KPC, on JKIA, and we have just received good news that the court orders have been issued against the opaque US-Kenya health deal that was signed recently without any public participation.
We have also made it clear either be outsiders interested in buying off Kenyan assets without proper public participation, without we, the people. We are sending out a strong warning to them.
The problem of Kenya is theft of public resources. The problem of Kenya is wanton corruption. The problem of Kenya is misappropriation of public resources.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu nĩ mokereire commission ya ithurano na mĩhaka ABC kũrũmĩrĩra ithurano nini iria cirahanĩkire na kũrĩa maugĩte ũhũthĩri wa nyanake kwagagia mũingĩ na ũitangi wa mbeca nĩ cirahũthĩkire na gũtirĩ ikinya marĩ maroya.
When we say we are going to prosecute the chair of IBC, private prosecution along with Mr. Marjan, take it seriously. Take it very seriously.
Maugite ripoti cia ikundi cia kũrũĩrĩra ihoto cia mũingĩ cia ithurano citirarĩ na waragania nĩ cibatie kũmũrĩkwo na ũritũ.
Chairman Ethicon saying that elections cannot be stolen in Kenya, it's an impossibility. Is he a stranger in Jerusalem? This position has already been contradicted.
Na rĩrĩ Akenya maraingira thigũkũ maugite Akenya na makũrĩirwo maitho nĩ marĩhi ma thukuru mwaka ũkĩte makiuga gũtirĩ ũndũ mwerũ maratanya kuma kũrĩ ndũmĩrĩri ya president mambura ma jamhuri ma mwaka ũyũ.
Even as you celebrate whatever little there may be to celebrate about Jamhuri this year, please remember that you have a date with destiny in 2027.
As we proceed for Christmas and New Year festivities, Kenyans are in distress. Kenyans are worried about January because capitation is not available. They have to dig deeper into their pockets to pay school fees for their children. The free primary education initiated by Mwai Kibaki is no longer the case. The free secondary education brought by Uhuru Kenyatta is no longer the case.
Do have a Merry Christmas. Asante.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gĩcimo Joseph.